Today I'm giving you a little tutorial on how to shave your legs with a safety razor. So I use the Leafshave razor because it has this nice flexible head. What you do to change the blades, it comes with blades. You actually just snap the blades in half and then they insert into the head, and there's 3 levels. So you've got 3 razor blades and yeah, this flexible head, which is why I love this. I use a bar of soap to soap up my legs, like so. And the main thing that you want to do is take it slow. So we are used to having these disposable plastic razors made from single-use plastic that does not biodegrade. Single-use razors, we're not reusing them over and over. When the blade is dull, we throw them out, or we throw out the blade, the razor head. And all of these things are made of plastic and end up in our beaches. There are all these tiny little different kinds of plastic as well, mixed with metal, so they're not getting separated out and recycled into new products of equal value. That's what recycling is, recycling something into something of equal value versus downcycling, which is cycling something into lesser value. But still, those just end up as waste. So instead, we can use reusable metal razors, invest in a product that's going to last a lifetime and take care of it. So I have fresh blades in here. My legs are hairy because I've been living in the wilderness. And the main tip is to, instead of quickly trying to shave and get on with your day, is like, slow down, enjoy the process. Not always am I able to shave my legs in such a beauteous location, but I'm just going to enjoy it and share with you guys in this moment of wonder. So what we do is, yeah, just take it slow. So you want to have nice sudsed up legs, and especially go slow as you get to know your razor. You'll notice that when you have a really sharp razor, it's just more likely to cause nicks and cuts in your legs. So just go really slow, especially around your ankles and anything in your knees, you know, these places that are kind of like not just the smooth surfaces, such as the long part of your leg. And yeah, take your time as you get used to this new razor, this new shaving experience. You may cut yourself the first few times as you get used to it. So just remember, as we change our behavior to be more in alignment with nature and less in alignment with mass corporations shoveling plastic into the environment, we have to adjust our expectations. So things aren't quite as easy as the plastic makes it be. They're not quite as convenient. So we just have to adjust how, yeah, our expectations for how products are going to work, and be a little bit patient and, yeah, and slow down. It's a beautiful value of the more natural plastic-free lifestyle, is slowing down and taking our time. Here's another kind of sketchy spot, is this like the shin bone, because it's quite, you know, it doesn't have the fleshy kind of like bounce that the muscle does. It doesn't absorb the shock of the razor, so you just want to be careful. And again, around the knees, just being very, very gentle as you get to know your razor. As the razor gets more dull, it's less likely to cut, but it then doesn't have as close of a shave, so you want to change out the blades and then be careful again. Now I use this razor to shave every part of my body, and yeah, I just am really gentle and careful. And then once I'm done, I'll use coconut oil to massage into my legs whilst they're still wet. So I'll wash all the soap off, and then whilst the legs, my skin is still wet, I'll massage and moisturize them with coconut oil. Coconut oil, any oil, doesn't moisturize on its own, but it needs the water there to trap the moisture into our skin. So that's why I always moisturize my face when it's wet, and that's how I cleanse my face as well. So just a little bit slower. You can put a podcast on, or put on some relaxing music, or chant mantras as you shave your legs, and yeah, just care for your skin and your body. You know, many people in my community don't shave their legs at all, don't shave their armpits, and just allow their natural hair to grow. Another place where you want to go slow and be very gentle underneath the knee. So do what feels right for you. Leafshave is my favorite razor. I've tried a number of them. I like the 3 blades. It creates a really smooth, close shave, and I like the flexible head. They're a small company of just 3 people. Hopefully we can support them and keep them going during these hard times. It is an investment up front, but I've had this for years. So we want to take care of our metal, especially if you live in a salty environment and you're shaving outside. Just really take care of the metal so that it lasts. Wash them in water, store them dry, the blades separate. Yeah, so, and when you travel, keep the blades in your checked baggage. Don't bring them onto the plane. They will confiscate them. Just like our cutlery as well. If we travel with reusable cutlery, they'll confiscate the fork and the knife. I've had both metal forks and knives confiscated. So apparently they don't think we can do much damage with a spoon on a plane. So, all right, so that leg is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to shave your legs with a safety razor. Have a beautiful day.